Hello everyone, I'm TechShow. As an amateur digital blogger, I usually take pictures and edit pictures later, and I still have certain requirements for computer configuration. However, I have always liked light office work, just like the one you see now, MacBook Pro Notebook Plus Z. Rocorder GT or Mini Host Plus Joint Innovative 4K Portable Display. It can be said that this set of equipment is the most frequently used by me. I especially like this Mini Host from Zero Moment, especially when I go out to evaluate products such as monitors. This thing is completely out of the box. 1 DP, 2 HDMI, 1 Type-C, and 4 video transmission ports are really easy to test. Various displays. However, its processor is AMD Ryzen 5 3550H, 12 nanometers process technology. Although the performance is sufficient, it is not very strong. Then today, I got another Zero Cut Mini Host, which is a new generation of Zero Cut Sur 4, the size of a palm. This is no longer a bag to go, but a pocket can go. The processor has been upgraded to AMD Ryzen 7 4800U, 7 nanometers process technology, CPU 8-core 16-thread maximum frequency, 42GHz, GPU 8-core 1750 MHz, memory support to DDR4, 3200 MHz, Cinebench 2.0 multi-core running score 3081 points, which is better than another GT or the Ryzen 5 is nearly twice as high. After disassembling the machine, you can see that there are 16GB memory, plus 500G in solid-state drive, and the memory module is a 16G single memory module of Emerald, so if you want to open dual channels to enhance performance, then buy another one like me. Emerald DDR4. After opening the dual channel 0R Sur 4, Master Less Happy running score also rose directly from the previous single score of 560,000 to 640,000 points. Many friends will be concerned about what kind of level the running points are. Let's just say, this Zero Ticket GTR in my hand can open League of Legends. Although the Zero Ticket Sur series is positioned as a mid-end product, no matter what. How the new generation of new Sur 4i is obviously better than the old GTR. In the Cinebench 2.3 test, its CPU scored 7,541 points, surpassing Intel's NUC 11 Pro, i7, 1165G7 processor, and in the Threedmark Firestrike and Time Spy tests. The Sur 4 scores are 3,410 and 1,376, respectively. What kind of games can be played with this score? According to the actual measurement, Yuanshan can still run relatively smoothly at 1080p medium quality 60 FPS, and the average frame rate has reached 43 FPS. Others like Counter-Strike OL, Overwatch, and League of Legends have stable picture fluency when non-special effects are light turned on, and can be regarded as a game console. But then again, the test game is entirely to take care of the questions that netizens may ask. In actual use, I will definitely not use it as a game console. After all, my needs are PS, PR, and clipping. That Zero Moment Sur 4 is naturally no problem for these graphics and video processing. In addition, Zero Sur 4 is also equipped with Wi-Fi 6E, a more radical and advanced frequency band. In theory, the peak rate of Wi-Fi 6E chip can reach 36 Gbps with lower latency, but our country's proposition is to allocate all 6G HD to 5G authorization. Spectrum usage, so short-term, in Wi-Fi 6E, may not play its due role, but it should not be said. The new mini host of the Zero Cut Sur 4 can obviously replace my GTR without hesitation. With faster processor performance, the core display has also been increased from the previous 1400 MHz to 1750 MHz. Is there any disadvantage compared to GTR? That is, it has only 2 HDMI and 1 Type-C for a total of 3 video transmission ports, which is less DP interface than GTR. In addition, there is another place that I don't know whether it is an advantage or a disadvantage, that is a fan self-check process is added every time the Sur 4 is turned on, and the fan will run rampant at full speed for 5 seconds when it is turned on. However, after 5 seconds, the fan noise is almost so quiet that you can't detect any noise in the indoor environment, and the temperature of the fuselage is relatively low after long-term operation, except that it is small enough, does not occupy space, and is portable, that is Q. Which maybe it's the most charming part of the mini host.